Hello my charming people, I am Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. Well, in this video, I'm going to make these half updo hairstyles. These are two different hairstyles. I hope you're gonna like it. But before we start, I request you to subscribe to my channel to become part of this charming family. So let's start the hairstyles and meet you in the end. So this is hairstyle number 1. Now let's move to second hairstyle. I hope you're liking this video. Hairstyle number 2. I hope you liked this video. If you really liked it, please press that like button. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now. Also hit the bell button to get the notification of all the latest videos. So meet you next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye, take care.